So I thought I would make this little video and show you how, if you order a laser cut sign, kind of how it comes. Now this particular customer wanted to do their own finishing work. So what we have here is we have some placement templates, and they're designed to fit perfectly on the sign. So we set this template over to the far right side, and then this template is going to line up right next to it along the bottom edge here. And then we can take our letters and we can go ahead and place them. Now normally these would be painted already. A little bit of hot glue is what we would use. And then you can go ahead and place them in the center of the space provided. So what I did was I just offset it 1/8 of an inch, and that allows us just enough room to place these letters in the opening. Again, we would have a little bit of hot glue, and then we could get these perfectly placed. And then, so we'll get them all in place here. So you can see, we just line those up as best you can. You know, it's pretty easy to do to get it pretty accurate. So go ahead and get our Z in place here. I'm going to try and not move our template as we're placing our letters. Okay. So of course, we would pretend that these are all painted and all hot glued down, and then we can just remove our placement template there. And then we would have everything is perfectly spaced top to bottom, left to right, and that becomes the finished sign. So that's how it works when you order a custom laser cut template.